Hello and welcome to Ahmed's Garage. Today we have the all-new Hydrofoiler SL3, the authentic cycling experience elevated by water. What is this beautiful machine? Let's find out together. You have two options to operate this water bicycle, either pedal assisted or through the throttle control. The rechargeable lithium ion battery can last up to 4.5 hours. It can reach to a speed of 20 kilometers per hour, and the heaviest model can reach up to 13.9 kilograms only, thanks to the use of the lightweight material including He2 carbon fiber. Even the propeller is made from carbon fiber reinforced nylon. All in all, it's a beautiful new innovation. I recommend to give it a try if you are into water sports. That's it for now. So until we meet again, stay safe, guys.